leftover pork belly. Oh.
We're gonna make cumin lamb.
Yes.
With the
Leftover.
leftover snow peas.
Yes.
So basically just push this
Robert's not
out.
here anymore, so I can. Oh my god, stop it. Oh my god, he's not
Yeah.
here.
No, stop eating.
Okay, last bite. Like, I promise this is the last bite.
Gonna be full, man.
My friend is too hungry. Okay, so I got the piece.
Oh my god, last bite. Like
No
the last bite,
more.
last bite, last bite. I want the meat.
Oh, you made this? You made?
Pretty much. It's okay, it's not that good, but. Oh, this is for this is supposed to be full. Do you have some onions to put in the cumin lamb? That's how my dad makes it.
Yeah, I was thinking of onions.
Yeah.
Sure. Let's add some onions.
Like it's so good with onions.
Oh,
Bad.
I don't know
Yeah,
what's
just-
just use this.
just gotta.
You got a view of your titties.
Huh?
You got a view of your titties.
You go what?
A view of your titties.
Where's titties? There's no titties today.
Oh, oops.
There's no female feelings today.
Oh my god.
It's the first time that we don't go out.
What?
So I get to like just wake up and play video games. I don't know.
Oh my god.
Do like big chunks, not too big, but not too
Yeah.
small.
So like this big.
Oh.
You want?
Oh, you normally my dad does it like that, like no, like. Oh yeah, like this, like stripes, a bit smaller. Okay, yeah, actually, you know what? I think our definition of big and small is different. Small. Small.
Okay.
Like,
Yeah.
no, like thinner.
So this.
Like a bit more. Yeah. Yeah, that's perfect.
This is
Because
not
the-
big.
No, because it goes with the lamb. If it make it too big, it overpowers the lamb.
So you wanted the whole thing like this?
Yeah, like small like this, yeah. Like a bit
You
smaller.
need it to be like this?
No,
again?
no.
Okay.
Just like long strap. A bit slimmer, a little bit. It's a
Little
bit
slimmer?
chunky. I think our definition of small and big is a bit different.
Exactly. I don't know.
Do you want to put the cumin first, just to?
Yeah, we
Toast
should
the cumin?
toast it.
Where's the cumin at?
Hold on.
Oh, your sister's grabbing it.
Baby.
And she
Oh
won't.
my god, you're making bento box?
Yeah, of course.
Oh my god, so funny.
Why funny? Cumin seeds. Oh, it's in here. Yes. The man knows his kitchen.
Thanks.
Oh, there's oil already?
Yeah.
Oh, no.
Oh yeah, true.
Whoopsie, what do we do?
It's okay.
No, it's okay. No,
good.
we just toast it.
Whatever. It's already hot.
We toast it in oil. It's fine.
You're not even filming it. You're filming me instead.
I want to film your reaction. How
Oh,
much? It's good. I think it's good.
The more a bit.
Yeah, come on.
That's cool.
Smells good. Oh, we should wanna add some dried chilies.
Yeah. Let's add some fried chilies.
Uh,
Whoa.
Look, the inside is all the seeds.
Oh my god, it's gonna smell so intense.
It's gonna
It
smell.
smells like armpits. Yep. Your favorite.
What?
Oh, tie this. We'll put it in the end because it may burn. So this burn quickly.
It's not really toasting.
So not yet. I'll chop some coriander.
Oh, there's coriander here. It's just for the pasta.
Huh? Coriander? I'll just use all of this thing.
It's like they're like, but it's mixed with the cucumber though.
Oh, I'll cut it and then.
Damn, she making that eel. I've been toasting that eel.
Yeah.
Okay, we can put the onion.
Onion.
Yes, slap the onion in.
Onion. Boom. Spices.
No, don't touch it.
Where's the big one? This is the big one.
You're not find the bacon.
It's right there.
Oh my god, don't touch me again. Yeah. Oh, you made this one?
Yeah.
Oh. The onion.
I'm gonna top it off with some coriander. Should I use all of it?
No? Yeah. Today did your teacher like teach you about the psychological test that you did? No?
I mean, she already taught me. The lecture was, I mean, yeah, she
Was
kind
the
of
video?
explained it. She just like, explained it like more thorough, like conscientiousness and whatever.
Did you like outcome 220?
What?
Did you like outcome 220?
No. Did you learn more about yourself?
Oh my god, I learned a little too much about myself.
That's really deep. Have salt.
Salt. No, I don't use. I just use from this. Tasting nice.
Is it me or is it taking me out?
No, wait.
What?
No, I'll do it.
Pork belly.
Wait here.
Huh? Để chỉ anh cut thêm pork belly.
Try to do like this.
Ano? Yung ano? Okay.
Toast the pepper. Make it bigger.
Oh crap! Something failed. I know it's
No, Emma. Emma, no. Oh, that's a little pepper.
Is it the spice? Yeah. The chili.
It's not even the chili, it's the pepper.
The pepper is ready.
Okay, ready to put it in.
Put the soy sauce in. No.
I mean, if you want, you can put a little bit.
Also,
Normally, just
I mean,
make it
it's
good, 'cause-
okay. Go.
Wait, take it off. Take it off. Take it off.
So it's like a very dry. So it's like dry.
I think so. I honestly have no idea how to make this dish. Oh.
Wait,
what?
You said you can make it all the time.
Put some chili. You know the chili that we bought?
Okay. Excuse me. It's gonna be very spicy. Oh my god.
Yeah, I feel like it's gonna taste very yummy already.
Yeah, I was about to say
That's why boss is like I say like we gotta boil it first.
Oh, yeah, it's okay. Whatever. Yellow. Yellow.
Ah. Throw it in. Throw it in.
Put some soy sauce so there's some.
Yeah, put some soy sauce. But usually my dad doesn't put soy sauce. Can you put more cumin? I don't think it's enough cumin. You don't want the cumin powder? You don't?
Oh my god.
Calm down,
It's
bro.
gonna be like a.
Okay, that's good, that's good, that's good. Oh my god, I know you want to put
Huh?
more.
I do wanna put more.
Can I put more? Why you hesitate?
Please, it's enough. It's like 2 drops.
Ah, that's a lot.
No, trust me, it's good flavor.
I don't even know why I suggested that I cook when like there's 2 chefs next to me. It's like, you know, it's like when your kid wants to cook and then you're like, okay honey. And then you let your kid cook and you're like, every move that she makes, you're like,
That's why.
that's my mom. Put more. There's never too much cumin.
Okay, it's enough then.
Whoa.
Put more. Just
No,
like this. No,
no.
you can.
Oh my god, what's the difference between what I did?
You're gonna break it.
I was breaking it. I
Oh,
literally
you
was
wanna
breaking it.
see.
Okay, okay, I'll break it.
Go side to side.
That's not the song.
It is.
Side to
side, side to
Yeah, but that
side.
was not it. Wait, do it
wrong.
again. Oh wait, ask Hua, can you do the dance?
Wait,
Can you
what's
do
that?
that? You do it. He didn't understand my dance.
What was that?
What's the name of the dance? The one that we tried to do earlier. This one, this one.
Oh, the flossing.
Oh, the flossing. Okay.
Do it. Do it now. Oh my god, that tastes so weird. You could have added some oyster sauce. For the umami.
The man.
Umami. Wow, so beautiful. What's the doing for lunch? Cute. Yeah, I'm just gonna eat a lot of bento. Oh, you should use some ketchup, make a heart on the rice. So that his friends think that he has like a girlfriend or something. Okay, that's enough! That's not the point. Okay, this is good enough. I'll close the fire. You don't want to overcook the lamb. It's already overcooked. This is good enough.
Don't wanna overcook the piece.
Yeah. No, I actually like it soft, so I would prefer to overcook the beef, but I know you guys like it a bit crunchy, so let's just keep it like that. You wanna try it out to see if you
Wow.
need to add more soy sauce?
Yeah.
Okay, here, take a little piece. Oh, okay. The lamby lamb. Wait, blow on it! Blow on it! Okay. Is this for me?
No, it's good.
It's good? Really? Whoa!
Needs more seasoning.
Oh my god! Add more cumin. Yeah, add more. Just add it in. It needs more cumin to it. It's not cumin.
Not cumin. Yeah.
Okay, that's good. Bro! I gotta handle this! We'll die! Okay, that's
Just chicken broth.
okay. Just say sorry.
Can never have too much chicken bouillon powder. Did all the cumin flavor like disappear?
Yeah, look for like. Wait, add some. Okay, yeah, just add this.
Because the other one's not toasted, it's gonna taste.
Don't be shy. Just go. Ow! Don't be shy.
And I'm waiting so I don't pour it onto your light though.
Sorry, I was blocking the way.
No, I was working, around.
Ah! Oh crap.
Why is this everywhere?
It's okay, it's still working.
Let's go. Let's get a plate.
Here, get that again. Wait, but if you have homework, we don't have to eat together. It's okay. I can watch my phone. He's not gonna do his homework.
Yeah, well, I eat anyways.
But that's
so.
why I was like, we should watch Never Have I Ever too.
When we eat?
Yeah.
Nice.
Huh?
Yeah, let's do that.
That's what I said.
No, I didn't know. I thought you said, I will. Okay,
No,
whatever.
I said let's watch it while we eat. And
Okay.
then
I
you're
heard
like,
that too.
huh?
I heard that too.
Yeah. And then
Okay,
he's like,
No, I have homework. I have a very long French homework.
And I'm like, oh, he doesn't want to watch it. I was like, okay.
Whoops.
And then I was like, okay, it's okay, we can watch it tonight.
It's 14.
I can physically can.
I do that.
It's okay, I got it. Are you, bless your soul, Miri.
Bless your soul.
Yeah, thanks. People are really thinking about you.
Only when you sneeze once.
Should we put this and then when we finish eating, then we put more.
Oh, yeah.
So
I'll
it
put
doesn't
everything.
die. Huh?
What?
Okay, put in
Put it all.
everything.
She's wild.
Yeah,
She wants it all.
she always wants it. I would help you, but I'm gonna die.
It's okay, don't help me, I got this.
Strong
I am,
independent woman.
yes, exactly.
Oh crap.
What? What did you forget?
And
My steamed beans.
You done?
It's not even never. That's what I said. Homegrown beans. I don't know what the hell it is.
Okay.
the final
cutie.
touch.
Yeah. Okay. Go on. Let's close this thing. So nice for the eye, for the ears.
For the mental health.
It's
Oh
little-
shit, we have to
What?
pick up the sauce.
What sauce? Oh shit. Oh no. No, it's gonna explode. I don't want to microwave it.
Ew, this is not edible.
True.
This
Here's the final dish. Wow, wow, enjoy. Eat it with rice or whatever you like.
It was